Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for some wrist twist action. That's right, the two Williams have arrived. Or should I say the CBRians are in the building. The street bike boys are ready to get real nasty and diabolical with it. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy two Williams down? Or will the two Williams take their wrist, give it a mighty twist, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Uh-oh. He behind a Dodge Charger. This is what you call mo-fouling. Now all of a sudden you want to get in the left lane because the Dodge Charger got in it. That Chargesian is in there sweating a gallon of water right now because he know the cop is about to hit them lights on him. Because if that was me, I would have been scared. My butt would have been soaking wet. He don't want you, Chargesian. I know about the mo-fouling. They get behind you, and I swear I feel the same way. They get behind me, I'm like, man, they finna hit the lights on me and pull me over for absolutely nothing. They ain't gonna get you today, my boy. You good. You good. Go on, wipe your butt, man. You good. They chasing the two Willie, and it's supposed to be on a CBR. Is that him up there? I think that's him up there, y'all. He got his lights out. He ain't even got his light on the bike. They definitely gonna pull you over. You can't say you was in the right. You ain't got your light on, I don't think. We ain't got no sound yet. He definitely in front of this other cop cruiser. So it look like they both in Explorers. Lights on. Let's see what he gonna do. No sound. Okay, there go the sun. I see him up there. Yeah, but body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here come my wrist devil. I hope you're ready. Okay, there you go, right there, y'all. And he moving too.
We're going to be southbound, passing 2147 west. Speed's currently at 80 miles an hour.
Oh, he about to try to pit him out the gate. Pull over, punk. We just want to talk. We want to know where you got the bike from, punk. It looks like it's stolen. I said pull over the bike, punk, before I turn you into roadkill. Uh-oh, he got it there. Oh my goodness, he put it away from them with ease. Good googity muggity. Oh my goodness, he is gone. Look how fast he pulled away from him. That's crazy. What kind of CBR is this? And he is flying. That cop is in denial like I was in denial earlier today. I thought I just had bubble guts and it was just a fart. But when I farted, I went to the bathroom and looked at my pants. It was doogie. It was a little bit of doogie in there. Uh-oh, I boo-booed. Yeah, he out of there, boy. He is out of there. Man, he way up there. He might have to kill them lights, man. You might have to kill them lights. I had to throw those boxes away earlier today. I had to throw them in the trash, y'all. They had doo-doo in them. I had to throw them away. I wanted to keep them, but I couldn't keep them because I had to throw them away. I thought it was just a fart. It was dookie. Ain't no shame in my game.
Coming up on Great Range, speeds are at 126. Light traffic still. 126 Great Range.
Man, he out of there. Hold on now. You can't even see him no more. Put your pride to the side, officer. He may be in another dimension right now. Quantum Leap. Who remember the show Quantum Leap? Me and my granny used to watch it every day. Quantum Leap, man. He was leaping from body to body. It said with the biker speed reaching 150 miles a turn, the trooper turns his sirens loud and lights to attempt to make the rider believe that he has slowed down. Oh, so he trying to fake him out. He turned his lights off, y'all. But he still chased him, but he trying to fake the guy out on the bike. Now you wouldn't be able to fake me out. You wouldn't be able to fake me out, because I'd be a never land right now. He better not slow down, man. You got to be a serious doofus to slow down. They can't catch you, bro. Don't stop. You better not. He better not slow down, Werewolf Pack. If he slow down, we definitely taking his biker license from him. He can no longer be a two-willian. I still don't see him. I hope he don't think he in the clear. They still on you. They still on your trail like a bloodhound. They still on you, my boy. They can smell your musty ass from a mile away. Do not stop. I don't see him though. He might have got away, y'all. He said he killed his light, but he still chased him. Don't you think it's kind of diabolical? He going that fast with his lights off? So the innocent people that you speeding by, they don't even know you chasing somebody. That's wild. Is that him? I know you lying. You a bold-faced lie. Oh, come on, bro. You got to be a Class A idiot. A master doofus magoofus. How? Why'd you get comfortable? Yeah, you better not let him catch him. After this debacle, you better not let him catch you, punk. Why is he trying to put the light on him? Bro, you not that good, officer. You're not that good to drive and put the strobe light on him at the same time. You not like that. He think he a DJ at the strip club. You not like that, bro. I can't believe this dude let them catch up to him. This is a dum-dum. And he hawking you down. The bike probably overheating and everything, y'all. You done slowed down. You knew that bike had one good run left in it. You ain't changed the oil in 3 years. That bike had one good run in it, and you wasted it. Why'd you slow down, punk? Why can't he get away? Okay, he pulling away now. Okay, now he pulling away. Last chance, punk. Pull over or you will be roadkill. I won't ask you again. Why are you letting him catch up with you, man? Twist that wrist, man. Now you scared to twist the wrist. Now you want your wrist back from the devil. It's too late. He already took it. He put barbecue sauce on it. He's eating your wrist right now. There you go. There you go. Become a legend. Because either way it go, you're going to be a legend tonight. If you get away or you don't, you're definitely going to be a legend. A legendary fool or a legendary runner. Which one are you going to be? Why is he so scared all of a sudden, y'all? Something must be wrong with that bike. Something got to be wrong with that bike. What's up with those CBRs, y'all? Are they good bikes? I'm a ninja guy myself, a Kawasaki ninja guy myself. Never really messed with the CBRs. Why is he slowing down? Oh, you want to go to jail tonight? You want to get in there with big panties, punk panties. You want to go down there, huh? You want to go down there to the county jail with big draws. Slowing down like that, you on a one-way trip to see big draws. And he gonna want your draws, allegedly. I gotta say allegedly. Why is he slowing down, Wolfpack? Yeah, something wrong with that bike. It's gotta be something wrong with the bike. He can't get it up to that. He can't get it up no more. Something wrong with it. He probably ain't got no more gas. He put $1.50 in the tank today. He thought it was gonna last all day. Okay, he put it away. What's the problem? Don't get scared of the nighttime now. If Bambi gonna pop out, he gonna pop out. Ain't nothing you can do about it. You shouldn't have killed his mama. If Bambi pop out, it's on you. They shouldn't have took his mama. He taking anybody he can with him. Bambi out there assassinating boys. He told all the deer. Kamikaze. Oh, whoa! Whoa, what is that? He's down. Diabolical. The grass made an arrest. The grass said, get over here. You're under arrest. The grass made it a citizen's arrest. Officer Grass, man. Look at him. He ain't moving either. The grass got him apprehended. You got apprehended by some grass, my boy. This is diabolical. Hold on, he ain't moving. Hold on now. He is not moving, y'all. Grass yanked him down like Scorpion be yanking people. Get over here. Officer Grass said, I'll put a stop to this right now. They got the paramedic over there. Yeah, he messed up. He definitely messed up, y'all. It ain't looking good for him. They got him in the neck brace. They got him in a neck brace, y'all. The grass is diabolical with this. The grass said, hold on, I'm Officer Grass. I'm going to put a stop to this insanity right now. In the comments, meet me in the comments, and let's have a conversation about this doofus McGoofus on two wheels. He let us down today, y'all. He let the two Williams down. He was going to be a legendary getaway boy. Instead, he's just a legendary dummy. But with that being said, like I said, y'all, don't hesitate to subscribe. Don't hesitate to what? Drop a couple of those hype points in the Avengers Cup. Hopefully this content is good for you. Hopefully you enjoying the content. And hey, with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Don't worry about your family supporting you. Don't worry about your friends supporting you. They don't see the vision, so they not supporting you. It's not that they don't think you can do it. It's just they know you. They know you. They probably grew up with you. They know you. You probably done quit on a couple of things, and they like, he ain't gonna do nothing, or she ain't gonna do nothing but quit on this as well. So don't worry about their support. Keep doing what you're doing. and let your actions speak louder than words. Sometimes you got to show people for them to believe. You just got to show them. Stop crying. Oh, man, they don't support me. They don't come to my business. They don't buy none of my products. Stop it. Stop it. Get you some supporters that you don't know. Those are your real supporters, because they really don't have no reason to support you. They just supporting you because they genuinely like you. Those are the people you need to be looking for. Don't worry about your family and friends. They'll be the last ones to support you. They'll start supporting you when you start shining, when your light is so bright that they cannot deny it anymore. That's when they'll support you. But until then, keep getting it. Keep going, because guess who is seeing you? I see you. I believe in you. I want you to win. Keep doing what you're doing. Your time is coming. And with that being said, we do not condone the foolery. We do not condone the debauchery. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. But what we do condone is, listen to me now. If you're going to run, can you please get you a good working piece of equipment?